Simplify 1 base 2 raised to power 2. What does that mean? That simply means multiplying this number in two places. That's simple. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and multiply this number. Is that okay? We're going to multiply it. So 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. We are done with multiplication. Now we have to add the same thing we do to base 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now what is 2 in base 2? Remember, this is multiplication in base 2. Now 1 plus 1 is 10 in base 2. 1 0. 1 0 in base 2. Now let me take your mind to base 10. If you have base 10, that is tens and units. When you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, you keep writing it in the unit place, right? But when once you have up to 10, there's no one single digit for 10, but rather, since it is base 10, I now wrap a whole bundle of 10 and take it to where tens are written. One bundle of 10, and I have to write here as 0 to show you that this is not an ordinary one, but a one that has a 0 here, which is 10. We don't write 0 here, it would be just an ordinary one, and I can read it as 1. That won't be correct. So the same thing that happens in base 10 happens in base 2. When once, this is units, this is 2s. When once I have a number that is up to 2, I don't write it here anymore. I wrap it and call it one bundle of 2 and write it here while I put a 0 here. So that's why 1 plus 1 is 10, or 1 0 in base 2, which means I'm going to write a 0 here and then carry 1 here. Okay? Now the same thing, 1 plus 1 again is going to be a 0 here, and then I'll take 1 to the next place. Is that okay? So our answer is 1001, which is option A. Now the very simple thing to think of is, whenever you're adding, think of the remainder first after taking out one bundle of whatever base you are adding. If it is base 3, base 4, it doesn't matter. Just count out how many bundles of that base do I have. 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. You write it here. What remains is what you write as your answer. You carry the remainder to the next place. I hope you understand.